USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. So you can go and join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. So connect with the Telegram and stay updated. If you want to create a broker account, sign up with them, because I want you to have a separate broker account if you want to trade with my signals. Okay, my signals, separate account, no mix up. If you are trading on your own right now or using somebody else's signal, keep it in your existing account. And when you are going to trade with my signals, open a new broker account. Check out the link, subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to the chart here, starting with the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what do we have? Well, to be honest, not many people trade USDCHF, so I will keep it short, okay? So daily, this weekly we're still down, and then daily we are trying to move up. USDCHF, these two are strong currencies. Swiss franc is a strong currency. USD is also a strong currency. So you will not see heavy movement or huge movement, large movements with two strong currencies. You got that point? But if you want to trade USDCHF, there are many options other than this. You can trade Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and so many pairs. Okay, you can go and watch analysis on my channel for other pairs as well. But in case you want trading opportunity in this USDCHF, then come to 4 hour here, and in 4 hours scroll up. And rejection has come already. Okay, so we had this uptrend that we took a pullback to 78%. This is a very deep pullback. Okay, deep penetration. So uptrend, deep pullback until 78%. Then came the rejection, and then we have 3 blue candles. Simply enter long. Okay, so if you want to take a trade in USDCHF, long is the trade. Enter now, and then trail your profits or trail your stop loss and take profit somewhere here. Okay. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, and join the Telegram and sign up with the brokers, create a separate account, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.